Factories today are no longer run by humans alone. Millions of robots are building cars, electronics, and products faster and more precisely than ever. But how do these incredible machines actually work? Join us as we uncover the hidden science behind factory robots. From the intricate assembly lines of automotive giants to the rapid-fire packaging facilities of e-commerce, robots have revolutionized modern manufacturing. They operate with unparalleled speed, precision, and endurance, transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This cinematic journey will take you inside these automated worlds, revealing the sophisticated engineering that powers our industrial future. At their core, industrial robots are programmable mechanical arms or mobile platforms designed to perform tasks automatically. Unlike general-purpose machines, they excel at repetitive high-volume, and often dangerous jobs. Think of them as highly specialized tools, meticulously engineered to execute specific functions with unwavering accuracy. We'll explore various types, from the multi-jointed robotic arms that weld car chassis, to the automated guided vehicles, AGVs, that transport materials across vast factory floors, showcasing their diverse applications in car manufacturing, electronics assembly, and packaging. To truly understand how robots work, let's dissect a typical robotic arm. It's a marvel of mechanical and electrical engineering. At its heart are powerful motors, often electric, that provide the force for movement. These motors are connected to gears, which multiply torque and allow for precise control over the arm's joints. The arm itself is composed of multiple joints, similar to a human arm, enabling a wide range of motion and flexibility. Each joint is a point of articulation, allowing the robot to reach, rotate, and manipulate objects in three-dimensional space. The entire system is orchestrated by a controller, the robot's brain, which processes commands and coordinates all movements. And finally, sensors act as the robot's eyes and ears, feeding crucial data back to the controller. The fluid, precise movements of a robot are a testament to advanced motion control. The primary movers are electric motors, which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. These motors are often paired with actuators, devices that translate control signals into physical motion. For highly accurate positioning, robots utilize servo systems. A servo motor, combined with a feedback sensor, constantly monitors its position and adjusts to ensure it reaches the exact desired location. This closed-loop system allows robots to perform intricate tasks, such as placing a tiny electronic component with sub-millimeter accuracy or painting a car body with a perfectly even coat. Robots aren't just programmed to move. They can also perceive their environment. This is thanks to an array of sophisticated sensors. Cameras provide vision, allowing robots to identify objects, read barcodes, and inspect product quality. Advanced laser scanners can create detailed 3D maps of their surroundings, enabling navigation and obstacle avoidance. Touch sensors or force torque sensors, often located in the robot's gripper, allow it to feel objects, detecting pressure and ensuring a secure, yet gentle, grasp. These sensory inputs are continuously fed to the robot's controller, allowing it to adapt to changes in its workspace and perform tasks dynamically, much like a human. The intelligence behind a robot's actions comes from computer programming and, increasingly, artificial intelligence. Engineers write lines of code that define every movement, every decision, and every task the robot performs. These programs are built upon complex algorithms, step-by-step instructions that guide the robot's behavior. With the advent of AI, robots are becoming even smarter. Machine learning algorithms allow robots to learn from data, optimize their movements, and even predict potential issues, leading to greater efficiency, adaptability, and problem-solving capabilities on the factory floor. While many industrial robots work in cages for safety, a new breed called collaborative robots, or cobots, is designed to work safely alongside humans. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and safety features that allow them to detect human presence and adjust their speed or stop entirely to prevent collisions. Cobots are often used for tasks that are repetitive or require consistent precision, freeing human workers to focus on more complex, cognitive, or creative aspects of the job. This human-robot collaboration is transforming workplaces, enhancing productivity, and creating safer, more ergonomic environments. Let's compare the impact of automation. In traditional factories, human labor drives production, which can be slower, more prone to error, and physically demanding. Robotic factories, however, offer significant advantages. They boast incredible speed, operating 24/7 without fatigue. They dramatically improve safety by taking over hazardous tasks. While the initial investment can be high, robots lead to long-term cost efficiency through reduced labor costs and waste. Most importantly, they boost productivity exponentially, allowing for higher output and consistent quality, which is crucial in today's competitive global market. The evolution of factory robots is far from over. We are on the cusp of the Industry 4.0 revolution, where factories are becoming smart. This future envisions fully interconnected systems where robots, AI, and data analytics work seamlessly together. Imagine smart factories where machines communicate with each other, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production in real time. We'll see even more advanced fully automated production lines, driven by sophisticated AI, capable of adapting to changing demands with minimal human intervention. The factory of tomorrow will be a highly intelligent, self-optimizing ecosystem. From their intricate mechanics to their intelligent programming, factory robots are a cornerstone of modern industry. They are not just machines. They are a testament to human ingenuity, constantly evolving to build a more efficient, productive, and safer world. Now you know the hidden science behind factory robots. Subscribe for more How Stuffs Work videos and continue your journey of discovery.